Surfing yung tawag ani. Asa tayo nga ni kuya nga ang dagat?
I don't
Ito sa
know.
Nag-burn ang palabok na.
Oh.
Una. Oh,
Oh, ew.
ang sila lane.
We're just walking around this circle. Wait, what is that? Oh my god, it's so cute. No, oh. So cute.
Wired-haired na ba? That's something wired.
That's a lot of people. Isn't it beautiful?
Practice mo na siya.
It's so cool, isn't it? There's every...
Ganyan, di ba?
Yeah, we went here.
Okay, pa-circle. Itong padagat ito sa Seda. Ay, itong Abuela.
It's a cafe.